we have to do now the sum number 6. That is our last sum. This is also a little bit tough sum. We have to see here 2x minus 3y is equal to 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 3y minus x is equal to 4. It's the last sum of your exercise 1.2. Again you can find here there is coefficient in front of y, here also there is a coefficient in front of y. So while solving this, here we are going to get the denominator. Again we have to decide in this sum some values which are divisible. So we have to do some rough work as we have done in your question number 5, which was earlier one. Please take the value of y. 2x minus 4 is equal to 3y. 2x minus 4 upon 3 is equal to y. So we got the value of y as 2x minus 4 upon 3. This value we are going to find now. Make a table with 5 columns and 3 rows. So we have to take 4 coordinates, any 4 values of x which we are going to assume. So one by one we will again do the rough work. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 upon 3. We are getting the answer in point, that is fraction. So we will avoid this value. Now go for the value 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. And 0 upon 3 is 0. So this value is acceptable. I will take this value. Some little bit work. Please remember it will help you to solve this sum more easier way. Now we will take the value 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 2 upon 3. You are getting the answer in point. So please we will avoid this value. Again x is equal to 4. Next value. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 upon 3 is not acceptable. Now next value, x is equal to 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 upon 3 is acceptable. So 6 upon 3 we are going to get the value as 2. So we will accept. Now we will get the idea that there is a gap. So we can accept this. Okay, so here x is equal to 0. We will not consider. So we are having a gap of 2 values. So I will keep here also 2 gap of 2 values. Let's see, just check it out whether really it is acceptable or not. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So we got this value. Once again we will go further. So x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 3, and I will go for x is equal to minus 4. Okay, so I am keeping a gap of 2 values, as here we got some idea that there is a gap of these 2 values. So after every 2 values, one number which is acceptable. So I am going on the back also, and from here also I am going to the reverse. So minus 4, let's check. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. And minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. And minus 12 upon 3 is cancellation is possible. So we are getting minus 12. You can check this. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4 upon 3. So minus plus sign of the greater number. So minus 12 upon 3, you will get the final answer as minus 4. So in some rough work, we have found the value that we are getting the value as minus 4. Now, so when we take the value as minus 4 as x, we are getting the value of y also minus 4. So we will do this in a proper manner. First value is 2, your second value is 5, third value, okay, we are taking this minus 1 and fourth value as minus 4. So I have taken this 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Now we will find the value of y from these 4 points. Y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. Y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so we have to focus on this equation. Put x is equal to 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 upon 2 is 0. Let's check once again. If I am taking the value of x as 2, the 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0 and 0 upon 2 is 0. Second value, y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. Put x is equal to 5. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 minus 4 upon 3. So we got the value 2 here. Third value, y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. Put x is equal to minus 1. Two into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 upon 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. We got the value as minus 2. 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So, minus 2. We got the final answer, minus 2. Fourth value, y is equal to 2x minus 4 upon 3. Put x is equal to minus 4. 2 into minus 4. So 2 into minus 4 here. Instead of x, I put minus 4. So 2 into minus 4 is how much? Minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4 upon 3. So minus 12 upon 3 minus 4. This point I have already cleared earlier. So please, while writing the sum, you make a proper steps in your page. Okay, one below the other. As I have a space problem, you have to write all these steps one below the other. Here also you write below this. Okay, and now we have to plot all these points. But before this, I will write here the fourth point. We have to plot all these points here. First point is 2, 0. So on x-axis 2 and on y-axis 0. It means, remember, whenever your y coordinate is 0, it means your point lies on the x-axis. So here your first point is 2, 0. Then second point is 5, 2. So you have 5 and 2. So from here I am taking this 5 and 2. The third point is minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 on the x-axis and on y-axis minus 2. So here we are getting minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. On x-axis minus 1, on y-axis minus 2. And now the minus 4, minus 4. So let's see, on x-axis minus 4 and on y-axis minus 4. Here we are getting the point minus 4 and minus 4. So we got these 4 points. We have to join them to get the line of equation. Now we have to give the naming to this equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, and we will write all the points once again. 2, 0. Okay, so here you got the value 2, 0. This is your first point. Your second point is 5, 2. So 5, 2. And now your third point is minus 1, minus 2. Here we got. And your fourth point is minus 4, minus 4. We got all the 4 points. 5, 2, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 4, minus 4. When we join them, we got the equation. Line of equation as 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Same way, we will move towards the second equation. Please find out the value of y. 3y is equal to 4 plus x. So y is equal to 4 plus x upon 3. Take any 4 values, but once again we are getting the denominator as 3. So we have to be little bit careful. We have to check whether the numerator after putting the value of x is divisible by 3 or not. So I am taking here the value of x as 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 upon 3 is not acceptable, as your answer will be in fraction. So take the value of x is equal to 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 upon 3. Yes, it is in the table of 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I will accept this value. Now I am moving towards the value 3. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 upon 3 is not acceptable. Now x is equal to 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Again not acceptable, because 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3, your answer will be in point. X is equal to 5. 5 plus 4, 4, 9. Yes, so 5 plus 4, 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this value is acceptable. Now we got the link that after every 2 values we are getting the next value. So we will move the reverse. X is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. And x is equal to minus 2. This value will be after 2. So please check your x is equal to minus 1. So 2 values, here also 2 values. So check here minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 upon 3, yes, it is acceptable. Now again x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 3. I will go ahead. Okay, so 0, minus 1, minus 2, and now minus 3. Let's check whether it is acceptable or not. So 4 minus 3 is 1, and 1 upon 3 is not acceptable. So I will not take this value. Okay, even though you got it some idea that there are gap of 2 values, so here also we are getting the gap of 2 values after this acceptable value. So ये जो value हमारी accept हुई, इसके बाद 2 value का हमें gap रखना है, और उसके बाद हमारा value आ रहा है -4. सो ये एक्सेप्ट होना चाहिए. चेक कर लेते हैं. 4 minus 4 0 0 upon 3 0. So we are getting the integer. हमें इन 5 वैल्यूज 4 वैल्यूज में ओके इन सारे वैल्यूज में आपने जो आपने देखा तो एक ये एक्सेप्ट हुई है, दूसरी ये वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट हुई जहाँ पे हमें इंटीजर मिला फाइनल आंसर, ये थर्ड वैल्यू और ये फोर्थ वैल्यू. सो हम इन 4 वैल्यूज को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. वी विल राइट दिस 4 वैल्यू एज our assumed value of x. So say first value is 2, 5, then minus 1 and minus 4. We have to find the value of y putting these 4 values. Y is equal to 4 plus x upon 3. This is your rough work, so I am rubbing it, no need of it. Put x is equal to 2, therefore y is equal to 4 plus 2 upon 3, y is equal to 6 upon 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so you got the value of y as 2. Second, y is equal to 4 plus x upon 3. Put x is equal to 5. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 upon 3, so 3 ones are, 3 threes are, here we got the value 3. Now we will move towards the third value. Put x is equal to minus 1. Be careful whenever you take the negative value. 4 plus minus 1 upon 3, minus plus minus, so 4 minus 1 upon 3, 3 upon 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 gets cancelled, so you got the value 1. Fourth time, put x is equal to minus 4. Minus plus minus, so 4 minus 4 upon 3, 0 upon 3, that is your 0. So we will write directly 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 upon 3 is 0. We got the fourth value as 0. Now we have to plot all these points on the graph paper. So your first point is 2 and x on x-axis 2 and on y-axis also 2. So here we got the first point as 2 and 2. Okay, so on x-axis also 2 and on y-axis also 2. Now your second point 5 and 5 3. So here we got this 5 and 3. Your third point is minus 1 and 1. So we are getting this line, okay, it passes through like this. And now minus 4 0. So minus 4 0. So 0 here we are getting this point. Whenever your y coordinate is 0, this y coordinate is 0, so your point lies on the x-axis. So your point lies on the x-axis. Here we are getting this minus 4 0. Now we have to join these points. First point is 2 2 5 3. So 5 and 3. First point is here your 2, your x-axis, 2 and y-axis also 2. Then 5, 3, minus 1 and 1, so minus 1 and 1. This is your third point, and minus 4, 0. Now we have to pass on the line through these points. Please remember, here we will get the confusion. 2x minus 3y, I should write here. Because this line is passing through here, we feel that this line, okay? So I have written this equation for this line, so now I am changing here and I will remove this because this line is passing through. So I will write now here 3y minus x is equal to 4. You should not get confused. That's why I have changed the naming for this equation as here. And this equation is 3y minus x is equal to 4. Now we have to see the point of intersection. This is your point of intersection. So 8 and 4. Our final answer is your x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. Now we have to write the final answer. I don't have the space, so I am writing here. Okay, so you write it on here, or otherwise I can write here also, but you write it at the last. Okay, the point of intersection of two lines is on x-axis 8 and on y-axis 4. Is 8 and 4. Therefore, solution is value of x is 8 and the value of y is 4. So please write this final answer at last of your page. So now we have finished second exercise completely, all 6 sums of graphical method. Now from next we will go for the third method of how to find out the solution of simultaneous equations through another method. Hi students, now we are moving towards Cramer's method in your practice set 1.3. But before that, I just want to revise that what we have done in exercise 1.1 and 1.2. If you have noticed, in exercise, that is your practice set 1.1, we have seen that we are equating the coefficients. And we are trying to solve the simultaneous equations. That is 5x and 5x in first equation, 5x in second equation. Second exercise, we have seen that graphical method. And now in the third, we are at the Cramer's method. This is given by Gabriel Cramer. So we call it as this method as Cramer's method. In this method, we say A, B, C, D are any 4 numbers. Then the value of AD minus BC is represented by A, B, C, D. These are the modulus sign, and this is to be called as determinant. So A and C are the values of say x variable, and B and D are the values of say y variable. So in this special method, we do the cross. Okay, so A into D, that is AD, minus B into C. So in a summarized form, we can easily remember AD minus B C. ओके, सो एक हिंदी में जैसे हम लोग फो करते हैं वैसे आपको याद रखना है। यहाँ पे ये माइनस साइन है, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस इज योर माइनस साइन। नाउ so this is very easy method which is given by Gabriel Kramer. So we are going to solve these simultaneous equations in your practice set 1.3 using Kramer's method. So the question number 1, you can see here, this is your activity based question. Fill in the blanks with correct number. As we have noticed that A, B, C, D, these are written in a determinant form. So here also, and what we are going to do? We are going to do the cross. So A into D minus B into C. So here also we have to do the same thing. 3 into 5. So 3 into 5. In this first box we have to fill up 5. Then minus sign is already given. Now B into C. So 2 into 4. Here we are going to multiply this way. So in this box we will fill up the value of 2. Now what is the value here? Multiplication after multiplication. 3 5s are 15 and 15 minus 2 into 4 is 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So the final answer of this question is 7. This is just a small picture of the overall sum. Okay, so now we will move towards the question number 2. In your question number 2, you will find there are 3 questions. Please remember, for this grammar rule, we have to remember this. Okay, so this way we will do. Here your A, then this is your B, C, and now we are solving question number 2. So in this question there are 3 sub questions. The first one is -1, 7, 2 and 4. So these are the values of say A, B, C and D. So in this way we are going to find out the answer. So the first one is A into D. It means -1 into 4. Always put a round bracket for minus sign and a bar bracket for the closing of this value. Now -7 into 2. Now -1 into 4 is -4 and -7 into 2 is -14. Now minus minus plus, sign of the greater number. So 14 plus 4 is 18, but remember minus 18. So you got the answer of this first question in question number 2. So once again please remember A, B, C and D. So A into D minus B into C. Please remember there is a negative sign between these two values. Here the relationship of A and D is of multiplication and the B and C is also of multiplication. So simply we will multiply these two values, -1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. So -1 into 4 is -4 and -7 into 2 is 14, but this negative sign makes it overall negative. So -4 minus 14 is -18. Now we will move towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is 5, 3, then -7 and 0. Once again we are moving towards in the same direction. 5 into 0, so A into D minus B into C, so minus, here we have to multiply, -7, so please put a bar bracket. Now 5 into 0 is 0, any number multiplied by 0 is 0, minus 3 7s are 21 and minus minus plus, So 0 plus 21 is 21. Now we are moving towards the third sum. So the third sum is 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, and 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Now, once again, we are going to follow this A into D. So that is 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So 7 ones are 7. We have to multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, and again 3 2s are 6. Here the denominators of both these numbers are same, so we can operate the numerator whichever be the sign here. So 7, okay, minus 15, this side only we have to utilize, upon 6. So 7 minus 15 is not possible, but then also we are going to do the negative, so we will put a minus. So here we put the negative side. So 15 minus 7 is 8, 8 upon 6. Now both this number comes in the table of 2, so 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So minus 4 upon 3 is your final answer.